Hey, I just wanted to show these real quick because I made a video about these two, comparing them, and I was wondering why this guy right here was so small, and I just wanted to show the progress that it's made. It's got one weird leaf that was leaning against the edge of the pot, so it's kind of bent, but I just wanted to show the progress this guy has made. Because it's not such a weird comparison anymore, is it? You can tell they're different, for sure. They've grown differently. But it's not just a tiny little puny runt anymore. So that's interesting. They grew at very different rates. This guy here sprung up fast and then kind of plateaued. While the other ones, like this guy, they just really slowly and steadily grew. Although I think this one had some kind of a stunt at some point, because it did seem like it went for a couple of months without really doing much. But yeah, here we go now. And actually, if you notice, let's see here, these are the biggest leaves on this plant. And these leaves are bigger. See, I've got my quarter here. It's a bigger leaf, I think, than that. So the runt actually is making much bigger leaves. Look at that one. Much bigger leaves. Isn't that interesting? All right. Thanks for watching.